So here's number 12 on EOC number 1 to kind of help refresh your memory. So we are going to simplify and we're going to solve for x. We got a lot of simplifying to do on both sides. So always we're going to take care of these parentheses. So it looks like we have 11 and then 2 times a negative 3 would be minus 6. 2 times a negative 5x would be negative 10x. Because remember you have to use the distributive property. Equals 7x. Then we have a negative 3. Negative 3 times 3x would be minus 9x. Negative 3 times a negative 4 would be a plus 12. And then we have plus 1. Alright, so here's my equals. Ooh, this is really messy here. Okay, so there's my equals. So on the left, I have 11 minus 6 minus 10x. I'm going to put the 11 minus 6 together, so that would be 5 minus 10x equals, keeping it all nice and lined up, 7x minus 9x. That's going to be a negative 2x. 12 plus 1 is 13, so plus 13. So I've got it nice and cleaned up now. I've got x and a constant on the left, x and a constant on the right. I've got to get my x's together. It's usually easier to take the smaller one to the larger one. I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to add 10x to both sides so we can get rid of the negative. So plus 10x. Alright, then on the left I have 5 equals negative 2 plus 10 is 8x plus 13. We're trying to isolate x. We're solving for x. So we're going to subtract 13 from both sides. So minus 13, minus 13. 5 minus 13 is negative 8 equals 8x. Alright, and now we have one last step. Divide both sides by 8. And we get negative 1 equals x. That's a 1. Negative 1 equals x. Now, this is manual. This is the algebraic way. Let's talk about, again, we've done this in the calculator. We're going to do this in the calculator. Oh, that just went away. We got negative 1 though, right? All right, so y equals, we're going to put, since we only have one variable in here, that's how we know we can use y equals. We're going to do the 11 plus 2 parenthesis negative 3 minus 5x. And then in y2, we're going to put the other side. 7x minus 3 parenthesis. And we don't even have to simplify. We can let the calculator do it. So if you're worried that you're going to mess that up, don't worry about simplifying. Let the calculator do it. So since we have two lines, we're going to find where the two lines intersect. So I'm going to do second, calculate. Number 5 is intersect. There's both the lines, and I'm going to press enter, enter, enter. Right there. X equals negative 1. X equals negative 1. It's the exact same thing that we got. Now this doesn't mean anything to us. That's just the point up there where they intersect. We were just looking for where the two lines intersect. So we get x equals negative 1. So there you go. You have manual, you have the algebraic way, or you can solve in the calculator. Now be careful. The thing that lets me know that I can use the calculator is that I only have one variable. There's x. It's only an x. If this says xy and xy or has two variables in there, you are not able to use y equals in this manner. Alrighty?